Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Unity Car. Today we're going to show you a car that used to be the pride of India back in the day. A car whose name instantly brings back old memories. And now, in 2025, it's back, in a brand new form with renewed energy. This is the Toyota Cressida, a design that will leave you stunned. In this video, we're going to reveal a secret that Toyota has kept hidden from the world. And that secret will be shared only with you. But before that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because such explosive videos are only found on Unity Car. So let's begin with the old story of a new era. Main script: design, history, performance and features, exterior focused. The name Toyota Cressida in the 80s and 90s in India was no less than any luxury car. At a time when imported cars were just a dream, the Cressida was a reality, owned only by the elite. It was once the top choice of VIPs, film stars, and big businessmen. And now in 2025, Toyota has relaunched it with a futuristic and cutting-edge design. This time, Cressida is not just a car, it's a style statement. At first glance, its exterior design will force you to stop and stare. The front features a bold and wide grille, with a stunning combination of chrome and gloss black. The headlights come with an ultra-sleek LED setup, giving its eyes a robotic look. Sharp lines and aerodynamic cuts on the bonnet give it an aggressive stance. Talking about the side profile, the coupe-style roofline and flush door handles make it ultra-modern. 20-inch alloy wheels with a dual-tone finish make its road presence impossible to ignore. At the rear, you get wraparound LED tail lights connected with a single light bar, full-width lighting. Its spoiler and diffuser are inspired by performance cars, a perfect blend of sporty and elegant. Toyota has brought a revolutionary change in the Cressida's exterior design this time. This car is not just for the eyes, it's something you feel, if you know what I mean. One secret: Toyota has launched this car as a limited edition concept model. And if it succeeds, this Cressida could become a production model in India. Talking about performance, hidden within this new body is a powerful hybrid system. But in this video, we're not talking about the engine or the interior, because our focus is only on that face. The face that has returned to win hearts all over again. Friends, if you are one of those who lived in the memories of the old Cressida, then seeing this new model will surely make your heart race. If you like the video, give it a like, and tell us in the comments, have you ever seen the old Cressida? And stay connected with Unity Car, because we bring you legendary cars in their newest avatars. So see you in the next video, with another car in a brand new form, only on Unity Car.